Hi guys, it's Tanya from Poor Girls Jewelry. Today I just working on my chains and I would quickly revise and talk about the chains. It could be just a little tutorial, not even tutorial, more talking. So I want to just show you that from any leftover wires you have, this is not all. I used a lot this week because I made tons of chain, different combination, different links. Um, Almost everything is filmed already on my channel, but you can actually combine. It doesn't have to be the same project like I showed. It can be links with commercially made chain, with spirals, with the stones, combo of everything. I think that makes pieces so beautiful. So quickly, I want to show how I do chains like this. It's so simple. I think I filmed earrings like that. So I sometimes, when I do that, I squish them together. And it's great, durable, nice chain. It's hard to understand how it's even made. It's made from simply 2 pieces or 3 pieces or more. Like when you want a length, here is like, I think it's only 3. But you can make longer chains if you want to break that with your commercial made chain or any other rosary linking, So for this one, we will need, I will quickly use my torch. This will be quickly done. And while it's cooling down, sometimes it's take a second. And I can use for the one that I started. So any round object, I always like to use my bail maker plier. So we'll use it maybe tinier one, like this. If there is any sharp things, you can use your file. Sometimes it could be a little bit, usually not, but this time I think it was a little sharp. And I will just link them together, just like this. And you just use your other flat nose pliers and make the chain. I like because it has that little effect here, little extra bubble. So that's the one. And you can, guys, create a long chains like that. I used to make necklaces like this. You can then shape it. You can make that elongated. You can squish that. Rosary linking, simple. You can check my channel for rosary linking. Everything basically, like I said, it's filmed already. Like those are links are filmed, double link. You can put them together if you wanted to in one space, in one and tied with the jump rings together. You can do them separately. Swirls I use from my scrap wire. I built different ones, and you can use them with ending up like this, and then attach with the rosary linking or any other links, or you can link them like this. This is another idea. So this video is just ideas, what you can use, what you can link. I have video, I made also earrings, I believe, like that. So not only earrings, you can make that as a part of the chain. So everything you can combine. I like that. I like that we can combine things. You can be creative with any bones that you use. This is also filmed before. I just added 3 beads on it. It looks different too, because I want to add it a little bit something that can match the green stone here. So I just wrapped it on that link, a few beads. Just the end of the year, and I try to finish anything that I have left on my desk so it will not sit. I like commercially made chains too, because I can break them with a little bit of the beads, like add different texture to it, to my pieces. Guys, it's very short tutorial. Also, when you do the rosary linking, I like that I can make them on purpose. I can make them very small. I can use the tinier. For this you need your round nose pliers, and you can use just the tip, so it will be small, tiny ones. But sometimes I like to play with the sizes, so you can see this one is small. That's what I make on this, and then the larger is done on my veil maker plier. So that one is different size, probably this one the smallest. Yes, so you can also make larger ones. You can play with the sizes. It looks beautiful. So that's all I want to share today. Thank you guys for watching over the year. I feel like I finished my year strong. I have more followers than I started the year. I really thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm thankful for your comments as always. Really appreciate, really. So hopefully next year we will create a lot of new pieces, and like I said, like this month, I'm always like thinking what was done, what I did, what I achieved. I feel the year was very successful. I create a lot of pieces. Hopefully my creativity will spark even more next year with the new projects and new ideas. And we will all be healthy and creating unique pieces and make somebody's eyes spark when they open the boxes, or you give them to your friends or your family or kids or your sisters when they open that box and see, or your little bag, whatever you presented your jewelry in, they will be happy. And that's, I think, that our goal as a wire wrappers, to make somebody happy, bring the joy of your creation. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I will see you next week on Tuesday, and hopefully I will have some times to sit and create, hopefully, because it's a Christmas on Monday, so we'll see what happens next Tuesday. Thank you, and see you next time.